If you're involved in the world of e-commerce, you're likely aware of the fierce competition for attention. Having a great product, competitive pricing, and an enticing title are all important, but without a captivating main image, you risk missing out on clicks, sales, and revenue. In this video, we will delve into the art and science of creating main images that not only grab attention of potential buyers, but also compel them to click on your product listings. Whether you're an experienced Amazon seller or just starting your e-commerce journey, these battle-tested strategies will empower you to transform your main images into irresistible magnets for clicks. Before we jump into the video though, let me start by first telling you who I am in 45 seconds and how we can help you scale your Amazon business. Okay, so real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith and I own an Amazon creative agency called Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that greatly increase PPC ad performance by simply boosting the product detail page's conversion rate. That's our main focus, and we found that once your conversion rate is higher, then your listing will rank higher organically and your PPC ROAS will increase too. We also write listing copy, create user-generated content, and create video ads for Amazon PPC and TikTok. If you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist and to view our pricing portfolio and get a free listing audit, then book a free consulting call by going to emaamz.com. Also, we just created a brand new Amazon ranking roadmap that's going to help you rank higher organically, and you can also get access to this by going to emaamz.com or by going to amzchecklist.com. So now let's carry on with the video. Alright, first up, packaging matters. You know what they say, don't judge a book by its cover, but when it comes to products, packaging matters and shoppers are gonna judge your book by its cover. Investing in appealing packaging that suggests quality and luxury can have a significant impact on consumer perception and willingness to pay. Research has shown that consumers are willing to pay more for products with well-designed and visually appealing packaging. Also, adding a label to your packaging and showing your packaging on your main image is another good thing to do. One cool trick to make your product stand out is by adding a colorful label to your packaging. It's like giving your audience some crucial information that sets your product apart. Research shows that when customers see clear and informative labels, it really catches their attention and influences their purchase decisions. Creative label placement. Even if your product doesn't come in fancy packaging, you can still make it look super appealing and professional. Get creative with label placement. Think about unique shapes, attractive designs, colors, or any other creative ways to place your labels. It's all about making your product stand out in the Amazon search results. Use models. If it works for your product, including images with models using it can be a game changer. It gives your customers some size context and helps them to visualize the product in real-life situations. Research also shows that when people see products being used by models, they find it more relatable and more memorable. So choose models that fit your target audience and let them show off how awesome your product is. Show your product in action. Sometimes a static image just won't cut it. You gotta show your product in action. Research tells us that when customers see products being demonstrated in action, like in a sponsored video ad in the search results, it really catches their interest and increases the likelihood of them making a purchase. So whether it's through images or videos, show people how your product is used and the benefits they can get from it. It helps them imagine themselves using it and makes the decision-making process easier. Highlight color variations. Instead of just using colored icons, why not take it up a notch and show actual images illustrating the various colors or options available for your product. By showcasing your product in different colors, you provide customers with a clear visual representation of their options, making it easier for them to choose the one that suits their preferences. Here's an example. Let's say you're selling a red water bottle. Instead of just showing your red water bottle, what if you showed 3 or 4 water bottles where you have a red one, a blue one, a green one, and a yellow one, all in the main image? And yes, we know that they're not buying the 4-pack, but they're buying the 1-pack. You just obviously going to make it clear in the other images that they're just going to get one bottle, but if you show the other colored bottles in that one main image, you may increase your click-through rate. The Kaizen Strategy. It's all about continuous improvement. When it comes to your main image, don't settle for good enough. Consider implementing strategies like 3D renderings, hands holding the product, which I'm a huge fan of, adding eye-catching graphics like fire or liquid flying through the air, or incorporating unique selling points to make it even more enticing. A case study published by Marketing Sherpa revealed that by incorporating unique selling points into their main image, a company was able to increase click-through rates by 15%. So keep refining and enhancing your main image to capture the attention of your target audience and stand out from the competition. Show multiple angles. Give your customers a comprehensive view of your product by displaying it from different angles and use cases. By showing your product from various perspectives, you enable customers to visualize how it can meet their needs and make a more informed purchasing decision. 3D rendering. If you're dealing with certain product types like reflective, transparent, or plastic items, consider leveraging the power of 3D rendering. Using 3D rendering to showcase intricate details or unique features of your product can create a visually captivating main image that stands out from the crowd. But use it sparingly. Don't go crazy with a whole bunch of 3D renderings because real life images are what sell the best. So I'd say 10%, maybe 15 or 20% of the time, use your 3D render, but the other 80 to 90% of the time, use real life images, and handheld images are my favorite type of real life image. Split testing. Trust your instincts, but don't solely rely on them. Conducting split tests can provide you with valuable data-driven insights into which main image resonates best with your target audience. By experimenting with different variations, you can make informed decisions about your main image and continuously improve its effectiveness. Even a tiny increase in click-through rate can make a big difference in boosting your sales. So never underestimate the power of these strategies. By putting these tips into action, you'll be on the right track to create captivating main images that grab shoppers' attention and drive those all-important clicks. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.